Well, there you are. You're getting ready to use your really nice, expensive Janome sewing machine, and you turn it on, and this is what you hear. Uh-oh. Let's see if we can fix this. It's time for the teardown. All right, what you're going to want to do is pull off your needle plate first. This one, the screws are already out. When you take this needle plate off, make sure you're checking underneath that this little thingamadoo jigger actually moves the way it should. Make sure the needle plate's flat, doesn't have any strikes on it from the needle. I'm noticing the needle looks like it might be bent. Oh yeah, that's bent. We do have a needle strike right there on our bobbin case, so needle strike. We're going to start from underneath on this one. But first, is there anything up here that's going to... No, okay. This plate's coming off. Seems dusty already. Seems you clean up well. A lot of oil in there. How are we looking in here? Nice. Same down here. We got some pieces hanging down. Some thread. Okay. So we haven't even started cleaning yet, and here's what we've got, a little bunny, dust bunnies. Oh yeah, they're just falling out of there. There is a good chance that this could be foreshadowing of what we're going to find. But I don't know, we'll see. Alright, took off those two covers underneath, and then this cover should come off, ideally. Make sure there's not another screw. Okay, oh, I probably should have taken off the presser foot. Presser foot is loose too, that's odd. Alright, now here's what I want you to see before we do anything else. I want you to see what I see. So we've got some dust in here. But if you look, this arm right here is not all the way back. So when your machine does a calibration, that should be out of the way. So right now it's in the way. It's a little bit underneath where our needle would come down. And our needle may have hit this at some point, I'm not sure. Let's see. So why isn't that going back? Well, look at the gears down here. What do you see there? Some more fuzz. Oh yeah, that doesn't want to come out. It's stuck. See that little tiny piece of fuzz? There's a good chance that that little tiny piece of fuzz is what's keeping this machine from working. So I'm going to try and push this gear, turn it the opposite direction. See that? See that fuzz in there? In those gear teeth? This is actually the reason I don't put grease on plastic gears. Alright, we've done a minimal amount of cleaning here. So now we're going to test our hypothesis. Let's plug this machine in as it stands and see what happens. Alright, ready? And there we go. You saw that arm go all the way back. And now the machine might just work. Yeah. It's going to, there's all kinds of sensors that aren't sensing what they're supposed to right now, but it's, yeah, there we go. We're sewing. Look at that. Let's run the thread cutter, see if it goes through the full. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to clean this whole machine. I'm going to go in there, clean out the rest of those threads, but you see what the problem was? Just a little tiny piece of fuzz. And that little fuzz was holding up this machine from working for the customer. When you spend a lot of money on a machine, you wouldn't think that it would be designed like that. Well, it's because this is all one big open area down here, and that lint and fuzz and thread remnants can all get inside that area. And when you take your machine to the Janome dealer, they're going to put grease on those threads, and the grease is going to attract all this stuff. It's going to stick to that grease. Well, that was a short one for today. Hope you enjoyed.